Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 14 of science, class 7, electric current and its effects, part 1. Now, electronic components and their symbols. Some common electric components can be represented by symbols. In table, some electric components and their symbols are shown. Look at the symbol carefully in the table for the electric cell. Notice that there is a longer line and a shorter line but thicker parallel line. In the symbol of the electric cell, the longer line represents the positive terminal and the thicker shorter line represents the negative terminal. For a switch, the on position and the off position are represented by symbols as shown. The wires used to connect the various components in a circuit are represented by lines. In table, a battery and its symbols are also shown. What a battery is. We connect two or more cells together. Notice that the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Such a combination of two or more cells is called a battery. An electronic component can be an element of an electric circuit that helps in its functioning. The electric circuit allows electricity to flow through it and is used to provide electricity for various purposes such as running electric motors, providing electricity to a bulb or a fan, generating heat. A battery is defined as a combination of two or more cells. In a battery, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal of the next cell and so on. Batteries are also used in several devices such as toys, remote control, torches and transistors. An electric circuit diagram can be drawn on a paper with the help of the symbols that are used for representing the electronic components. Such a representation of an electric circuit using its symbol is called an electric circuit diagram. The electric circuit diagram consists of a key that acts as a switch for the circuit. The key can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Open circuit. When the key is switched off or opened, the circuit is said to be an open circuit as it is incomplete. Closed circuit. When the key is switched on or closed, the circuit is said to be a closed circuit as it is complete. The electric circuit shown here consists of a bulb. The bulb has a wire present inside it called the filament. When the electric current passes through the filament, it closed. The filament breaks when the bulb gets fused. What happens when the filament of a bulb breaks? When the filament of a bulb breaks, the circuit of the bulb becomes incomplete. Hence, the bulb does not glow as it does not receive any electricity. The heating effect of electric current. When an electric current passes through a wire, the wire gets heated up. This is known as the heating effect of electric current. The heat that is produced in the wire depends upon the following factors: the material of the wire, the length of the wire and the thickness of the wire. Many appliances work on the heating effect of electric current such as electric heater, electric iron, electric stove, geysers, electric coffee maker, toaster, hair dryer. All these elements produce a high amount of heat when electricity passes through them. However, this amount can change depending upon the requirements of the device. This is so because they contain a coil of wire known as an element. Depending upon the amount of heat required by such appliances, different types, sizes and length of wire are used in them. Some wires can break down or melt as they get heated. Production of light in a bulb due to the heating effect of electric current. The filament of a bulb is a coiled wire that gets hot when electricity is passed through it. This makes the filament glow and as a result light is produced from the bulb. What is an electric fuse? An electric fuse is a device that is used to prevent the damage that can be caused by an excess of electric current. According to the heating effect of the electric current, a wire becomes hot as current is passed through it. However, if an excess of current is passed through a wire, it can melt or break. The electric fuse consists of a wire which is made up of a metal or an alloy which has a low melting point. As a result, the wire breaks down easily as high current passes through it. As the wire breaks, the current of the fuse opens and hence for the current passes through it. This can prevent a short circuit for wire fire due to high electric current. Different types of fuses are used for different devices and some are also available for houses as well. How can excessive current pass through a circuit? Reasons why excessive current can pass through a circuit. Sometimes we connect different devices to the same socket which results in drawing of more current from that socket. As a result, the load on the circuit increases and it can lead to a short circuit or fire. When the insulation of wires gets torn away, the wires can come in contact with each other which causes a spark or may lead to a fire. This is why fuses are used to prevent any kind of short circuit and overloading. Thank you.